Hello everyone, how's it going? Today in this video we are going to talk about hardware crypto wallet, and we will look at Ledger Nano X, which is a hardware cryptocurrency wallet. So how you can procure it? You can go to ledger.com, and this is the place where you will come, and you can see there are different products, download links, other things are available. We are going to look at one of the wallet called Ledger Nano X. There is other variant available called Ledger Nano S. Uh, it's a little bit inexpensive, but for our demo, we are going to use Ledger Nano X. Why I choose Ledger Nano X? Because it can support more number of cryptocurrencies. Yeah. So basically, uh, within Ledger, each cryptocurrency is called crypto app, and it can support multiple crypto apps. So that's the advantage, and it's more sturdy also. I have not personally reviewed Ledger Nano S. So let's go ahead and perform unboxing. Once you receive your Ledger Nano X, it looks like the box look like this. It's a like any of the smartphone box, Apple or Android. It's very nice packaging, and as you can see, Ledger Nano X, it has a Bluetooth symbol on it. It says keep your crypto secure everywhere by Ledger. All right, let's flip it. There are a lot of information available on the back. Your private keys, how to keep your private key secure. That means the seed phrase, right? That is your private key. So always keep it secure. Write it down, store it somewhere, and then it talk about the technology. So Ledger Nano X feature a CCELS certified secure chip and ensure private keys backup. So this is a very advanced technology. Basically, it manages up to 100 crypto assets. So each cryptocurrency or token qualified for one asset. So you can have 100 types of cryptocurrencies, and then it secure your transaction anywhere you and go. You go. The most important part to understand is you can actually buy and sell your crypto asset using Ledger. You don't have to go to any exchange at all. So it's give you the complete authority of your token. So once you open the box, what to expect a hardware wallet and USB cable. Of course, USB cable to connect to your laptop and charge it, right? um, so let's do the unboxing today. Once you open it, there's another nice finishing, says Ledger. Open it, and here it is, our crypto hardware wallet. It's a nice steel finish, prints company name. On backside, something is written in French. It's not English for sure. I have to look it up because the ledger is a French company. Now to open it, flip it like this. The steel part is on your right, and the black finish glass part is on your left. The left is also a button, if you can see closely, and then right side is of course a button. We are going to use these two buttons to navigate around it. But let's first finish the unboxing and see what else we have in the box. Okay, so here is a getting started manual. Once you uncover the manual, you have getting started in various languages, stickers, white and black ledger stickers. I'm going to put one on maybe on wallet and one on my laptop. I love stickers. These are some care statement about voltage and other privacy things. Not very interesting. Okay. Beyond that, we have couple of actually three sheets which says my recovery phase, and you can see it is numbered 1 to 24. So this is when you set up your 24 word seed phrase, you can write it down, and please save it in some secure place so that only you are authorized to look for it. And finally, we have a nice USB-C to USB cable. You can use it to connect to your laptop and charge the Ledger Nano X, because Ledger Nano X need power, right? It's a battery powered so that it can display things on your screen. All right, now let's try to power it on. I'm not sure if it has any battery in it or it's a charge, but I'm going to give it a shot. Sometime when you receive a phone or product, it has some charge in it. Before we do that, let's open the getting started and try to understand. Okay, on left side we have some pictures, 1 2 3 4, which actually show you about the buttons, how to use them. And then we have the basic action: press the left button shortly to power on, and how to navigate, press the left or right button to browse through the menus, and press both button simultaneously to validate an action. So if you want to select something, you have to press both buttons, and then press and hold both buttons anytime to access the setting or to power off, uh, and more. All right, we will see all these things in action, right? But it's always a good idea to read through the get started or the manual. Yeah. Now let's try to power it on. Okay. Very nice. It is powered on. I know it's a bit small on my screen and my camera also shaking sometimes. Apologies about that. But if you can read, you can see the welcome to the ledger, and you can browse through the menu using the button, left and right side button. So it is asking you to download Ledger Live application. Then press left and right to browse or navigate. Okay, so looks like the things what we have seen on getting started, that's what it is displaying here. Okay, let's go through it. Press both button to validate a setting or shut down. Okay, that's what written on the getting started. Hold both button anytime to access a control center or power off. Okay, fine. Start Ledger Live. Okay, to get so now you are at a point where you can set up as a new device, or if it is not a new device and you are doing a recovery, so you can recovery from the recovery phrase. All right, so that's the final leg of the menu. So either you can do a setup as a new device or you can recover. In my case, I'm going to set it up as a new device, which I'm going to show you in following videos. Not today. It's just a unboxing today. All right. So now you know how to navigate using these two buttons, how to power on and power off. Yes, eventually we are going to power off. Okay. So there is a menu. It's showing me how much battery is there. It comes with almost 35% battery charge. You can exit from the control menu, or you can go to power signal and just press both button once. You don't have to hold it. Yeah. Uh, Yes, and this is how it is powered off. So we know power on, power off, um, how to navigate, and in follow-up video, we are going to set it up as a new device. Before that, I have to download the mobile app, Ledger mobile app, and connect it via Bluetooth. So we will see that in upcoming video. Uh, One final thing, I think what I didn't show you is how to charge this, right? So if you want to charge, there is a cable sitting behind that, and you can basically connect this cable and use any USB powered port to charge this. This is very nice finish steel. I am really liking it so far. Um, the key thing is to receive my cryptocurrency from exchange, and then try to buy and sell directly from the crypto hardware, right? That's the main motivation. And this is how you can charge. If you want to charge, just connect the USB-C side and then the regular USB to the port. Thank you.